Let's talk about why you need Red Rock Harley's 3-year 6-service VIP maintenance plan. Servicing your Harley is more than just an oil change. Depending on the service intervals and your owner's manual, it's anything from brake fluids to clutch adjustments. When you're a VIP customer, you get priority scheduling.
How can I help you?
I'm ready to schedule my 1K today.
Excellent.
And you get 1 free hour of labor.
What? 1 free hour of labor? You gotta be kidding me.
You get 1 free bike wash. And discounts on the Advanced Riding Academy. This passport, you get discounts on all these parts, all these motor clothes, and a $1,000 trading credit. Let's go talk to finance. Before you pay for your first service, ask to speak with someone in finance for a 0% interest, no credit check payment plan.